Hey guys, I was just on eBay and I found some really cheap airsoft guns. And in this video, I'm going to show you them, or at least tell you them. The first one is entitled New Spring Airsoft Pistol Laser Sight and LED Flashlight Handgun with 6mm BB's BB. And it's only 1 cent and there's 0 bids on it, and there's only 41 minutes left, so I recommend you buy it. Next, new CYMA Twin Spring Airsoft Dual Pistol Combo Pack Set Handgun with case 6mm BBs. It is 1 cent and there's only 16 minutes left, so yeah. Next one, most of these there's only not many. This one is New Metal P232 Airsoft Spring Pistol Full Size Handgun Air with 1006mm BBs. It's only 1 cent and there's only 1 minute left, so I really doubt, like, 1 minute's gonna be over after I say this. They might have the option of being automatically relisted, so you should probably go ahead and buy those. New UK Arms SM6 Beretta C x4 Storm Carbine Spring Airsoft Gun Sniper Rifle with BBs. $15.95, which is really pretty cheap. Sorry for background noise. My brother is playing Smash Brothers. But there's 843 watchers. More than 10 are available, and 785 have been sold. So this guy's gonna get some hate. Next, sorry if my voice sounds kind of bad. Next is new 385 FPS Metal Pump Spring Airsoft Shotgun Black Gun Movie Prop Air with BB. It's $24.95 and there's only 8 minutes left. So, the next one and the second to last one is the new AK-47 Tactical Spring Airsoft Rifle Sniper Gun Laser with 6mm BB Pellet Air 74. And it's only $19.95, and it's not, but there's 135 watchers, and it's not an auction, so. Alright, the last gun is 2x new P226 Spring Airsoft Pistol Handgun Light Laser Sight Air with 6mm BB's BB. And it's only 1 cent, so yeah, but there's 1 hour left and it's 1 cent. Might get relisted, but I might buy it. Now, thanks for watching this video. It was kind of pointless. I just needed to upload a video today, so I did this. It might be helpful. These are all tagged with the keyword in eBay, Airsoft Gun. Airsoft Space Gun. It's on the screen if you need it. It's on the screen right now. All over here and around here. Okay, now it's not. So yeah, thanks for watching. These are some airsoft guns that you can buy. They're really cheap, and most of them, they might get relisted, they might not, but let me just see. Oh, one ended. The New Metal P232 Airsoft Spring Pistol Full Size Handgun Air with 1006mm BBs. I should have bought it, but the shipping was Shipping was $14.99, so no. Alright, see you guys. Peace out.